Welcome back to my channel. Few weeks back, I posted a video of my Android music system and the installation. Many of you loved it and even few installed the same unit in their cars and are very happy. That's really awesome. That video got you thinking and there are doubts and the comment sections were filled with it. So I thought of making a video by picking few interesting ones. Let's get started. Question number 1. Does the steering control work? Yes, they do work pretty well. Let's see. I'm now playing a song. When I tap on the middle button, it passes and it's a toggle so you can pass and play. There is volume control up, volume down, and then there is also a mute which stops only the volume. You can also do previous. The change track is shown there, and obviously the next two, which changes the track immediately. Let's see how do we configure this button. Let's stop the music, go back to the main page, tap on this icon and go to the next page. The steering control option is there, tap on that icon and shows the steering control option. The way we do it is press the button which changes yellow and pick up the option which you want. Let's configure this mute button to play pass. Hold on to it, changes yellow, click the play pass and now save the tick mark. For some reason the telephone option is not working, but we are trying to get it sorted from the vendor. Question number 2. Can I play music from my iPhone? Yes, you can play music from your iPhone using this device. I'm using an iPhone 6s for demonstration. For playing music, you gotta go to the Bluetooth app and tap on the music icon. If it is bad, it starts playing music immediately the way it is doing now. You can fast play from your screen and it directly controls your phone, or you can do it the other way around. You can do all the controls. It shows the track. You can increase your volume or do the seeking. It also can control play and pass. The only problem is the icon don't change the play pass icon on the screen. The other option is you can even leave your phone on sleep mode and then still play songs from that phone. Question number 3. Can I play high definition videos from USB? The answer is yes. First you need to insert your USB with a video onto the USB slot and wait for the device to be detected. It shows up in your screen and now you can go to the video player, tap on them and it starts scanning immediately the drive. Once the video comes up, you can start playing the video. Let me play Deadpool. It's an MKV file, a very big file, so it takes some time, but it plays in. So the quality is really good. It's a full 1080 MKV file and it has got no problem. You can do seeking, no problem, there is no lag. In the quality there is no choppiness. And the audio quality is also very good. The contrast is also very nice and the colors are very vibrant. So let me go back to another video. Click on the file icon and let me play iSearch. So that's an AVI file, very common video file, and this didn't take any time at all, right? Because it's a smaller file. A good option is you have a clock which shows up on the screen and you can do pass, play, see, and this picture-in-picture option is another good one which you can play the video on top of any other app. You can also move the screen depending on your liking, and you can also make this a little bigger by tapping on that arrow icon. So this can also be moved. Question number 4. Can I play music via aux? This is only no, though the system comes with an aux application. but there is no aux connectivity, so you don't get any audio. Question number 5. Does this unit have inbuilt navigation? The answer is yes, it has. Let's see. The app is provided by Suzuki, and it takes some time to load, but it's a really good one. So let's hold on. So it's asking a question, so whether should I retain the old location? I said no. And see, it immediately came. And the system is not connected to the internet at all, so it is all offline. The map is really good, it's decent, and it is responsive. So you can zoom in, zoom out and all that, and you can move your finger. The response is really good. Not as good as Google, but it is very good. You can find your location there, and you can also use the compass so that the map rotates accordingly. The map is really good, really responsive. I kind of liking it. So let's see how we search for a location by clicking on the tab. And now you can put in your desired location to figure out where you want to go. First, let me cancel the previous search. Let me search for a mall, which is closer to me. If you are in Bangalore, you would know that. Because it is offline, it takes some time, but see the result of it calm. So let me pick up the value mall which is showing up there. Let me tap on it. See, it has picked up. The location is already there, and it has some options to call up the service and all that. Let's see the location direction. Click on the icon, should do that. And there is an option to share your location. This is what it is coming. Let's ignore it. Now it has picked up the optimal route, and it is showing up in the screen already. So the good option which I see is the cameras, but it doesn't work in our country because we don't have speed cameras. You can start the navigation now, and there is a voice assist as well.
After 200 meters, turn right, then immediately turn left.
It's a little too manly, but it is good. Keeps your attention on the road. The last question for this evening: does it have Wi-Fi connectivity? Out of the box, yes, it does come with Wi-Fi. To enable it, tap on the Wi-Fi option and click on the button to enable it if it is switched off. It is already paired with my iPhone for internet, so it is showing up there. Tapping on that would show more information. You can forget or you can just cancel it to go back. Let's go back and see how the internet works in this device. Clicking on the Chrome, it should bring up the Chrome. And let me type in Google. And type 2018. You can see the system is really responsive. And search results come down really quick as well. My internet connection is really good, so it is not a case. Click on the images, it loads up the images. And the screen is very bright, it shows that the image is cool. You can also search for videos. So how do I switch off the Wi-Fi? Let's see. You can drag from the top, and tapping on the icon will toggle between on and off of the Wi-Fi. It takes some few seconds, but it will still work. Hope this video was useful. Till next time, this is Sarunan signing off.